The Detas Group experience and professional knowledge have been handed down from generation to generation since 1896, where in Pola, Istria, the original company was founded. Electric materials and technical supplies were the original activity of the business. Electrification of the local territory, including Briuni Islands, let the company grow in the coming years. Later, industrial development moved our experience and knowledge to new choices. Today, we develop new products daily and test ideas, design, and production of several products in our facilities in compliance with international standards. Electrical technology and electronics are the core of design and development for the products we produce and resell. Power electronics and experience in optical design are additional engines of our success. The continuous innovation that the market has recognized for our products is the best motivation to continue to make the business of our customers simpler, more efficient, and safer. The main markets where Detas Group operates are industrial automation, traffic safety, and LED lighting. Detas Group founded the Croatian branch in 2012 with the goal to improve our reach to Central and Eastern European markets. The Croatian branch was a success, and in 2015 we have started production in the city of Lipik. In 2017, we completed our new production facility in the town of Pakrac. The new production facility is giving us larger production capacity and opportunity to grow and serve our customers even better.